Hey, I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're going to be letting you know, does Delta 8 get you high? And the answer is yes. Delta 8 will definitely get you high. Delta 8 is pretty similar to Delta 9 cannabis, although a little bit different. The effects are still, weighted relatively similarly, meaning if you get high from Delta 9, you will get high from Delta 8. Now, the Delta 8 high is not my favorite. I would much rather prefer a Delta 9 cannabis high or an HHC high compared to a Delta 8 high, but yes, Delta 8 does get you high. I describe the Delta 8 high as sort of a full body high, meaning your body gets high-ish, your brain and head get high, but it's not a very uplifting high. It's more couch-locked, groggy, lazy. If you're looking to sit there and play video games all day or watch movies all day, Delta 8 may be a great high for you, but if you're looking to be productive and do things and be active, I would not recommend Delta 8. I would recommend either HHC or just normal Delta 9 cannabis. We do own and operate a brand called Baked. We were the world's first HHC company. We do have HHC and some Delta 8 products, so if you want to see the differences between Delta 8 and HHC, head over to bakedhhc.com, enter discount code Delta8High at checkout, and you'll get 20% off your order. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any other questions, please let us know. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. Have a nice day.